Hey everyone, I'm Jake, and I want to share something that I didn't think I'd be saying just a few months ago. I made $3,000 in just 2 weeks. It sounds unreal, right? I thought so too until I did it. Let me rewind a bit. Back in 2019, I had a stable, well-paying job as a wealth manager at one of the country's biggest investment banks. But deep down, I wasn't happy. Every day I listened to clients talk about building their own businesses and designing lives they've loved, and I realized that's exactly what I wanted too. I had a notebook full of business ideas, but never the time to chase them. Then the pandemic hit, and suddenly working from home gave me something I'd never had before, space to actually go for it. I started with Sellvia's 14-day free trial. I was excited, but I'll be honest, totally lost. I was trying to figure out products, build my store, run ads on Facebook, and I didn't even know where to start. That's when I booked a Zoom call with Tina, my personal growth manager from Sellvia. And from that point on, it all started to make sense. Tina walked me through everything step by step. First, she helped me switch to a cleaner, catchier domain name, and just like that, my store felt way more professional. But the moment everything truly changed, Tina said, let's focus on social media. Honestly, I was nervous. I'm not a content creator. I wasn't even that active on Instagram or Facebook. But then she showed me a tool from Sellvia that made everything ridiculously easy. It came with ready-made visuals, product descriptions, and even professional-looking templates to make my pages look sharp. All I had to do was download the post from my dashboard and hit publish. I started posting every day, and just like that, the sales started rolling in. By the end of my free trial, I had made over $3,000 in sales. And now, I'm still working with Tina. She's helping me try out more tools and grow this into something long-term. I've never felt more motivated.
Thanks for sharing your story, Jake. It's been amazing watching your journey. And now let me walk you through exactly how Sellvia's social media marketing tool works so you can start seeing results too. Today, just having a nice looking store isn't enough. You need to be visible where your customers actually are. And that means showing up on social platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, and even Twitter or X. Billions of people scroll these platforms every single day, and if you are not there, you are invisible. Now, let me give you some quick numbers. YouTube, 2.5 billion monthly users, Instagram, 2.35 billion, and 90% of them follow a business. TikTok, 1.1 billion, with 61% of users buying products they saw there. Facebook, over 3 billion users. That's 30% of the entire world. And Pinterest with 465 million, and 83% of weekly users say they've bought something because of what they saw. The numbers speak for themselves. People shop through social media now, and it's not just for selfies anymore. And that's where Sellvia's social media marketing tool comes in. Once you activate it from your dashboard, you get instant access to a clean, ready-to-use social media profile kit to set up or refresh your accounts, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and more. Dozens of ready-to-share product posts, images, videos, and descriptions, all proven to engage and convert. Clear call to actions and optimized content that build to sell, not just to look pretty. No design skills needed, no filming, no copywriting, just download, post, and go. Managing multiple platforms can be overwhelming. That's why we put everything in one place, your Sellvia dashboard. You'll find all your visuals, texts, and descriptions and links in one simple section. And yes, all the content is designed to perform well in popular formats, such as Instagram Reels and TikTok videos. These posts are optimized to feature trending products and capture attention fast. So you are not just posting, you are building momentum. What's even better, this tool grows with you. On average, Sellvia users who activate the social media tool see a 60% increase in sales and 7 times faster customer growth. That's because when your brand shows up consistently and professionally across social media, people start to trust you and buy from you. Whether you're brand new or already running a store, this tool helps you build your presence fast and without burning out trying to do it all alone. Jake's story is proof that you don't need to be a social media expert to succeed. You just need the right system, and that's exactly what it is. If you are ready to make your store work for you just like Jake did, activate your social media marketing tool today. You'll find everything inside your dashboard. And of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next big success story. Your audience is waiting, and your first sale could be just one post away. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.